In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro, and if you stay until the end of this video, I will also show you how to create this cinematic black bars animation as well. So without further ado, let's go and do some work. First, add some media onto the timeline, and then next go to your project panel. From there, I'm gonna click on this new item icon and I'll create a adjustment layer. I'll leave it as it is and I'll press OK. Then I'll grab this adjustment layer and place it over the first two videos. Then I'll expand the adjustment layer until the end of the second video. Next, I'll go to effects, and from there I'm gonna type crop, which I already did, and I'll grab the crop effect and apply it to the adjustment layer. After that, I'll go up to the effect control panel, and from there I'm gonna scroll down to crop and go to top and bottom. From there, I'm gonna go up to 50% at the top and then 50% at the bottom. And as you can see, we have created these cinematic black bars. Then to create the animation, what we're gonna do is copy this adjustment layer by holding Alt and drag it above this video. Then I'll select the adjustment layer and go back to the effect control panel. Then I'll move the cursor to the beginning of the video and I'll create two keyframes by clicking on this stopwatch. First onto the top and then onto bottom. After that, I'll select those two keyframes and drag them somewhere over here. Then I'm gonna go back to top and drag it back to 0%, and then I'm gonna do the same with the bottom and create the second pair of keyframes. Now when I play it, we've got this cinematic black bar animation. And that's how you can create cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro, plus adding some cool animation to it. Also, if you like to check more Premiere Pro tutorials, check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.